Hi, I'm Miss Wilson. Welcome to my classroom. I teach 11th grade language arts, both honors and general. I also teach CCP English for Ohio University and Hocking College. A little bit about my background. I have an associate's degree in sign language interpreting, a bachelor's degree in speech and hearing science, a bachelor's plus in teaching integrated language arts, a master's degree in curriculum and instruction, and an endorsement in computer technology. I enjoy reading, listening to music, and collecting bobbleheads for my classroom. I also enjoy watching Friends, Succession, The Great Baking Shows, and The Middle. This year, your English class is an American literature class, so we'll be focusing on classic and contemporary American authors. Writing is also important, and we'll be doing student reflections to readings, practical applications, research, self-reflection, and some creative writing. You will also see Mrs. King hanging around my classroom. She's my co-teacher first period, but you'll see her around school all day. Please feel free to ask her for help. Students will be coming home with a class syllabus. The last page needs to be signed that you understand the classroom procedures and expectations, as well as permission to watch the possible list of videos. I am asking students to take a picture of the signed page and submit it to Google Classroom. Google Classroom will be used whether you're in school or at home. It's important you check it and your email every day. You might also get lessons from the Jefferson County Virtual Learning Academy and also Zello Method Test Prep later in the year for ACT Prep. Students who are in my Honors Language Arts class and have completed the requirements to be accepted to Hocking College will have the opportunity to earn college credit through them in my class. You'll get more information on this later. For students in my Ohio University English 1510 class, that's Writing and Rhetoric, you will have a syllabus that maps out the whole semester. There are 5 essays, a handful of short readings, journal entries, discussions, as well as grammar practice. You've got this. At any time anyone has a question, you may email me. I check it often. That is the best method. I also have a second period conference, but please be sure to set up an appointment to be sure that I will be there and not at a meeting or running errands. And finally, remember this is an unusual year for us. We need to remember to be safe and follow all the guidelines, be ready to learn, and respect everyone around you. Mask up, and I'll see you on Monday.